बस हर महीने फेम मंथली फेम पिंक हटाए टैन दे हेल्दी फेयरनेस और फेम ब्लू दे पर्ल्स जैसा निखार जो रहे बरकरार।
I think it's a great concept for fem bleaches because I think rather than concentrating on something that is temporary, something that you put on your face that will wash off with say the sun or the rain or something natural which you can't control, fem bleaches gives you that internal glow which is natural, which comes from within. Bleaching is good, for everyone in its own. For me, for instance, I think, being in this profession, I undergo a lot of, my skin undergoes a lot of stress because of the lights, the heat, the wind, the dust, everything combined, and I get tanned very often. My skin starts looking dull very often. So I think bleaching helps there at least once a month. Where it sort of clears up your skin, it removes the tan, it brings out your natural healthy glow, and opens out the pores, makes it helps your skin to breathe, and which I think is very, very important, and that's what keeps it glowing and healthy.
गोरा गोरा उजला उजला सेहत से दमके तेरा चेहरा गोरा गोरा उजला उजला।
मेरी फेयरनेस तो धुल गई, तुम्हारी स्किन इतनी हेल्दी, इतनी ग्लोइंग हमेशा। बस हर महीने फेम मंथली फेम पिंक हटाए टैन दे हेल्दी फेयरनेस और फेम ब्लू दे पर्ल्स जैसा निखार जो रहे बरकरार। फेम ब्लीच, ऐसा हेल्दी निखार जो रहे बरकरार।